So now we are going to start the last unit of machine design 1, that is the spring. It is also very simple unit and easy to understand, and it is really helpful for you. Spring is what? The solid length. Okay, solid length means what? When the spring coils are being combined each other, means when it is at the full loading condition, the length which we get is known as the solid length. This is, you can get it, this compressed length is nothing but your solid length. So it is given by ls is equal to n dash into d, that is n dash is the total number of coils and d is the diameter of the wire. Then the free length is what? When no load is applied on the spring, at that time whatever length is there, that is the free length. This is the pitch and this is the diameter of wire, and it is given by a term, that is n dash d plus delta max plus 0.15 delta max, and LF you can also say that in this n dash d plus delta max plus n dash minus 1 into 1 mm. This is the clearance between the two adjacent coil is given as 1 mm. So the spring index, it is very important term in spring. It is the ratio of the mean diameter of the coil to the diameter of the wire. That is C is equal to capital D by small d. It is denoted by the letter C. Mean diameter of the coil by small d. So a spring index, just read this, relative to sharpness of the curvature. It relative to the sharpness of the curvature. If the value of C is greater than 3, then the actual stress in the wire is excessive due to curvature effect. Such springs are difficult to manufacture and special care must be taken while cooling. Okay. When the spring index is high, that is C is greater than 15, it gives large variation in coil diameter. This leads to buckling and tangle easily during handling. Therefore, the preferred value of C is between 4 to 12, and from 6 to 9 is more preferable for close tolerance spring. So this is how the spring index is really important for designing. And spring rate is the another term which is also important. That is, it is different. It is just like a stress we have seen, that is load per unit area. Here also load per unit deflection is there, which is known as the spring rate. Okay, W is the load and D is the delta is the deflection of the spring. It gives the stiffness of a spring. So pitch is of the coil is defined as the axial distance between adjacent coil in the uncompressed state, that is here. Pitch is equal to what? The free length minus the solid length upon the n dash, that is the total number of coil, plus the d. This is how you can get the value of pitch. So these are the terms which we used in the spring. Thank you.